Good morning to Dr. Suziana. My name is NAVESHRAO. Today, me and my group are going to present about designing a reliable and efficient internet layout for a small office. So, the subject is Industrial Data Communication. Code is BLR 3463. And then my group mate is SHAAVIEN Analaki Santa Kumar. Matrix number B0822101182. Next is me, NAVESHRAO Analaki Ramesh Naidu. Matrix number B0822100037. Next is NISYOK Analaki Vida Nayagam. Matrix number is B0822100198. Next is SHIVAARJUN Analaki Kannan. Matrix number is B0822100017. Next is DINESHWARAN Analaki Shegar. Matrix number is B0822100455. So today we are going to present about designing a reliable and efficient internet layout for a small office. So our introduction is, in today's digital connected world, a reliable and efficient internet layout is vital for business productivity. So our design focus on uninterrupted connectivity, robust security, scalability, and cost effectiveness. So for our layout objective is understanding network requirements, standards, and industrial data communication.
Hello, my name is NISYOK, and my machine number is B08210198. So I'll be presenting about the network requirement technical analysis. So there are several key requirements that meets the office needs, which are user connectivity. The network must support 25 users simultaneously. So for the second thing is bandwidth management. Bandwidth allocation must prioritize critical tasks such as video conference. So for the reliability, there's a backup connections. The network must have redundancy to minimize downtime. And the network security, a secure network must protect sensitive data, prevent unauthorized access. So for the scalability, uh, the network should easily adapt to accommodate new users. So I'll be proceeding with the next slide, which is the internet layout design. So there are several points for the internet layout designs. With the router and firewall will be used as the core components. And for the managed switches and or Wi-Fi access points will be used as a distribution layer. And for the centralized server for backups are the server and storage. So for the backup and redundancy, it is written as secondary connection, which is like 4G LTE or mobile data or something like that. Okay, so I'll be proceeding with the hardware and software selection as well. So we have used several hardware in this uh, project. So the first one is the Cisco RP340, which is a router, and there's a Netgear GS308, which is a switch, and for the Ubiquiti Unify, which is a Wi-Fi access point, and then there's Dell PowerEdge server, which is a server, and then there's ABC UPS, which is a backup hardware, and then for the software, there's a Fortinet being used as a firewall, and then there's SolarWinds as a network monitoring, and then the Microsoft 365 is used as the cloud services. So that is all from me. Next, for the simulation part, my friend Shavin and Dinesh will be continuing. So thank you for
Hi guys, my name is Dinesh and I'm going to talk about simulation and results. So as you can see, the results of our simulation is stable and high-speed connectivity, balanced bandwidth across departments, redundancy ensures minimal downtime and scalable design for future growth. And now I will go into the simulation to explain more briefly. Okay, today I'll walk you through the design and purpose of this network, highlighting its structure, components, and practical application. This simulation represents a company divided into four departments, which are human resource department, management department, finance department, and marketing department. Each department is interconnected through a centralized router and ensuring an efficient communication and resource sharing. Next is I'm going to talk about some key components of this network. At the center is the ISR 4321 router, which serves as a core of the network, connecting all the departments. Each department is connected through a router, a dedicated switch 2960, allowing devices within the department to communicate efficiently. For the end users, devices we have PCs for employees in each department and printers for departmental use and IP phones, which are 7960 to facilitate VoIP communication. These devices are strategically distributed across departments to ensure productivity and collaboration.
Hello guys, so now I'll be presenting about the simulation. And as you can see, starting with our simulation, we have human resources department, which consists of multiple PC, which there are 7, and is linked to a phone and a printer. These devices are connected to a switch 2, which in turn links to a central router for inter-department connectivity. While next is the financial department, is structured similarly. It contains a group of PCs, a shared printer, and an iPhone phone, and all these are connected through switch 4, which is right here, to maintain seamless internal and external communication. And next, we do have our management department, which is also connected to 6 PCs and an IP phone too, and a printer. Then it's connected to a switch tree is used here to ensure that the management team stays connected with other department and the IT manager. And lastly, we have the financial department, which is the largest, with a higher number of PCs, which is 7, and a PC and a printer and a iPhone IP phone. And all this connection is connected to the IT manager and is interconnected with each another. And now let's see the stimulation, which is the pocket. So let's say I'm doing this one from IT manager to a management department. So I click here, then I click here. Well, let me do again and click here. Here you go, where it comes successful. Then next one, I do a here and a here. That's successful. And maybe here, click PC to a printer based on human resources department. And yeah, guys, you can see it's successful. So from here, and let's say here. Okay, then it's successful. Then let's say towards my human resources department, which maybe I can say printer, and then you here, then it's successful. And I also can, like, if I'm one of the human resources department, I can also print there, which is here and here, that's successful. And also from manager to finance department, and also manager to marketing department. And as I said, we can actually connect from human resources to marketing department or to management department because we are all interconnected. So I can select here and I send a file or anything towards this person from marketing department, and yeah, all successful. And finally, let's say from here on send to this PC, this printer, yeah, there's a connection for everything and it working well. So, like I said before, this is very efficient and this topology is a star topology, which is very helpful because if one of the department having problem, it doesn't affect other department because other department have their own connection and everyone is connected to each other. So it's really helpful and makes the task ends faster.
Let's start with security and maintenance. To safeguard our network, we propose implementing a VPN for remote access, ensuring secure connection for employees working offsite. We will also conduct regular firmware updates and penetration tests to identify and fix vulnerabilities proactively. Additionally, regular hardware checks will ensure our infrastructure remains reliable and up to date. And to minimize human error, we will provide employee cybersecurity training, enabling staff to recognize and prevent cyber threats. Next, I talk about cost. We estimate the total budget to be around RM16K to RM26K, broken down as follows. Hardware costs range from 10K to 16K. Software costs will be 5K annually, and other expenses are projected at 1K to 5K. This budget ensures the implementation of a high quality, secure, and scalable solution. To summarize, this design will provide seamless connectivity, robust security measures, flexibility to accommodate future growth, and cost effectiveness, making it a perfect fit for our office. Thank you for watching this presentation.